Are you tired of trading your time for money? Imagine waking up every morning to new income without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But with AI, it's becoming a reality. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people earn passive income. Whether it's running a fully automated YouTube channel, selling AI-generated digital products, or leveraging AI-powered marketing tools, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore how AI is reshaping the world of passive income, breaking down specific strategies, tools, and real-world examples that you can start using today. Let's dive into the future of automation for profit, the rise of AI-powered passive income. Not long ago, passive income required significant upfront investment, whether in real estate, stocks, or businesses that took years to generate profits. But AI has dramatically lowered the barrier to entry. Now, with the right tools and strategies, anyone can set up automated income streams that run 24/7. AI has evolved to handle tasks like content creation, customer service, marketing, and even product development. This means businesses and individuals can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. But how does it actually work? 1. AI-generated content and monetization. One of the biggest opportunities for AI-powered passive income lies in content creation. With tools like Chat for text, Journey for images, and 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, anyone can generate content at scale without hiring writers, designers, or voice actors. Automated YouTube channels. AI can fully automate a YouTube channel, creating videos on autopilot. Here's how. Script writing. AI tools generate scripts based on trending topics. Voiceovers. AI-generated voices make narration effortless. Video editing. AI video tools assemble visuals, subtitles, and animations. SEO optimization. AI analyzes search trends to maximize views. With this approach, YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships can generate passive income. AI-powered blogging and niche websites. AI can also be used to automate blog content, which can be monetized through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Tools like Jasper and Surferseo optimize articles for search rankings, bringing in organic traffic without manual effort. 2. Selling AI-generated digital products. Another powerful AI income stream is digital product creation. AI can help produce ebooks. AI can generate entire books in hours. AI art and graphics. Tools like Midjourney create unique images for sale. Online courses. AI can design courses based on market demand. Custom AI tools. No-code AI builders let you create and sell automation tools. Once created, these products can be sold indefinitely on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or personal websites, providing passive income with little ongoing effort. 3. AI-powered e-commerce and dropshipping. AI has also revolutionized e-commerce. Here's how automation makes online stores more profitable. Product research. AI tools identify trending items. AI chatbots. Automated customer service increases conversions. Personalized marketing. AI analyzes customer behavior for targeted ads. AI-powered fulfillment. Dropshipping automates order processing. By leveraging AI, an e-commerce business can operate almost hands-free, generating sales 24/7. 4. AI in stock market and crypto trading. AI-driven bots can analyze market trends and execute trades faster than any human. This means even beginners can profit from stock or crypto markets using AI trading bots. Platforms like Pionex and CryptoHopper execute trades automatically. AI portfolio management. Robo-advisors optimize investments for long-term gains. Although investing always carries risks, AI helps remove emotions from trading, increasing the chances of profitability. 5. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing earns commissions by promoting products, and AI can supercharge this process through AI content generators, writing product reviews at scale. AI video creation, generating short promotional videos. AI SEO optimization, ranking content higher for organic traffic. Automated email sequences. AI handles follow-ups to convert leads. This strategy allows you to create an automated affiliate marketing business with little ongoing effort. The future of AI and passive income. AI is still in its early stages, and opportunities will only expand. As automation improves, more industries will be disrupted, creating new income streams that don't require active work. Imagine a future where AI creates fully autonomous online businesses. manages investments with near-perfect accuracy, personalizes passive income streams tailored to individual needs. Those who embrace AI now will have the advantage in the evolving digital economy. The world is changing, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. While traditional passive income methods still work, AI is making them faster, easier, and more accessible to everyone. The question isn't whether AI can generate passive income, it's whether you'll take action and start using it today. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. The only thing left is to decide how you'll leverage it to build your own automated income empire. What are your thoughts on AI-powered passive income? Let's continue the conversation in the comments below.